Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're back again and we're gonna slay. Well, it's January what 4th, so we're gonna go ahead and slay kind of simple, maybe. Yeah, so if you want to see what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with this palette. I've been using this palette for Makeup by Yolondo. It's the Nudes, browns and nudes. I think I'm gonna go in this shade and we'll take it from there. So I'm gonna use Y216 from Makeup by Yolondo, and actually I'm gonna start with this eyes. I haven't started with this eye for a minute. Man, I'm back to working out and I feel so stale. I know it's a process. Whew. Since I've had surgery, I have to gradually go back into working out, and I'm just like, oh. I just need to get to it, And I know I will. But it's still frustrating, Just clean up my brush. Oops, upside down. And then we're gonna go back in. Okay. So I know this still looks a little messy. It's okay. Don't knock it. We're just gonna move along. I'm gonna go in with my cleaner. I actually need to buy another cleaner to do this because this cleaner is actually kind of expensive. So maybe I'll get another cleaner. But in the meantime, that's all I got. So we're gonna use it. Man, I need to get some wipes that I actually like because I'm running low. Let's go straight to the CC9 from Makeup by Yolondo. Man, this looks be taking forever. My neck is like hurting. This looks, it's gonna be the death of me. I'm gonna go into this, no, I'm gonna go into this 209, and I think I'm gonna go into this shade right here. What's this? Lemon. Okay, so I know this look is like taking forever, but I'm trying something a little bit different. So now I'm gonna go into my Painted Chrome palettes. First, we're gonna go into this shade right here. This shade. I have to be real careful with this palette, guys, because this palette is very fragile, and the palette is $70. So I ain't trying to break it. So I'm gonna use a C10 and we're gonna go into that shade. Ooh, I love this look. I love it, love it, love it. Okay. So this, I feel like I'm gonna put a little. I'm gonna put a little bit of this right here, kind of in the. Oh shoot. See? But I don't want to like bend. I'm gonna put a little bit of this right in the center. You have to be so careful with this palette. Just putting this right here. And now I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna go back to that brown that I put down here. Right here, and just blend this nicely. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Oh my god, this look took forever, but you know, we're back, and today I'm actually using my Luminous Weightless foundation from Nars, and we're just gonna jump in with some concealer. I'll just use my Tarte Shape Tape, which is not my favorite concealer, but you know, this will work. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use, I keep wanting to cut this off and I keep forgetting. So today is the day, even if you know this video is like already 10,000 years long. I travel with this, so I tape it so it won't spill over, and then I keep forgetting to take off the tape during the day. Keep wanting to use it. Man, I taped this like it was like Fort Knox in here. Whew, finally. So this is from Charlotte Tilbury. It is the contour wand. This feels good. It feels like real cool. I have my collect brush. I'm actually bringing my brushes down periodically because we need to, like, you know, get this brush situation under control. So I'm using a 405 from Makeup by Yolondo. I'm just gonna go ahead and this blends like literally butter. Again, I wish they had a little bit more shade, but Charlotte's and her shade range is not the best, unfortunately. You know, Charlotte Tilbury. I'm like Charlotte, like, you know, I know her, but I don't. You know, hopefully one day I'll meet her and be like, hey, what's up with the shade range? And she maybe will be like, this mom, I don't care about you or what you think about of my shade range. I mean, I don't know what she'll say. Maybe that's because, you know, I'm like this little blib on YouTube, you know, like that don't have any real word, like saying anything. So maybe not. So I saw Makeup by Yolondo CEO or Yolondo whatever did this, so we're gonna try this. So she actually took her concealer brush like this and she go into her powder and then she stamp it. I don't know, but it looks good when I do it like this. Maybe I need to start doing it with a sponge, like a wet sponge, you know? Because this brush, which is technically damp, it's doing it real well. I keep checking like, what is this on my forehead? That stupid burn. So now I'm gonna go into my micro smooth powder with my destination brush, and we're just gonna do the rest of the face. Okay, now let us go and do, I know I look crazy, but it's fine. I mean, it's not fine, I look crazy, but let us go in with some base. So let's go in with the shade that I put in my crease. This is actually a really soft look, and you can end up doing this look to go to work. You don't have to put the green, you know, accent that I did. Like, I know that's, you know, a lot. I'm gonna go back to that chrome palette. I'm gonna go into this shade right here. This is like broken. This shade, and I'm gonna put it in my inner corner. Okay. Face time to finish up the face. So I'm gonna use this to bronze. Just, you know, bronzing up the face to bring back some color. I know it's winter time, but we're still bronzing winter time. Now I'm gonna go into this blush, and now I'm gonna focus on this shade right here, and then we got this. So now I'm gonna go into this. I'm gonna go into this free shade actually, and we're just gonna put it right here. Now let's go in with some highlighter. I'm gonna use Tribe 2. I think this one is a little bit too dark, but it's fine. Just a little bit too dark, but you know, we'll make it work. Ooh, I don't know what to do for the lip. What are we gonna do for the lip? I don't know. Let's put a little bit of mascara on my lower lash line. Oh god, I'm like terrible at that, so pray for me. This is serious. Oh no, this is so long. This video is crazy. Okay, so for the lip, I'm gonna use its Glass from Juvia's Place. It's just a really clear lip gloss, nothing special. Ooh, that feels so good. Okay, so that's it guys for this video. I had fun creating this look. Initially the eye was simple, you know, and then you can just do a little something like that, you know. Oops. Green, you know, little highlighter thing that I put here. So yeah, to just spice up your look. Cool. So yeah, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.